Hello and welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi, and today I'm going to be sharing with you three oils that very powerful oils that you can add to your oil to get more effect, to make your oil ogbonge oil. So for example, let's say you bought wheat gold oil, just as an example, and you want that wheat gold oil to give you more lightening effect, because we all know that wheat gold oils are only for brightening and toning the skin and glowing the skin, but you want the oil to now be like a whitening oil. Let me introduce you to these three oils. These are three of my favorite oils. These are my secrets. These are oils that I mix into my oil to give me good results. I'm a oil lover. If you don't know on this channel, I love oils on my skin. I also use lotion. Oh, I use lotion, I use oil, I use both, make I no lie. But when it comes to my oil, I use oil more than my lotion. Let's say I use oil 4 times a day. So let's just say I use oil 4 times a week and lotion 3 times a week. That's it. I use oil. So I have different type of oils: my whitening oil, my lightening oil, my brightening oil, my glow. I sell them so I can afford to do that. So these are my three best oil when it comes to activating my normal oil to take it from A to Z. These three oils. I am in love. They have never let me down. Let me just put it that way. This flawless white bleaching oil is an amazing bleaching oil. It is made with gluta and kojic, and you start seeing result from 2 days. Yeah, that's exaggeration, but it will give you good results if you mix it with your normal oil. This is a bleaching oil, and it is a whitening oil. It removes dark spots, anti-aging oil, and removes patches on the skin. This oil will not give you uneven skin tone or give you any skin irritation. This is a complexion clarifying serum that removes and fades stubborn dark spots, it's acne, spots, blemishes. It is fast acting serum that helps restore a clearer and more radiant even skin complexion, white, and smooth out your dry skin. This oil don't play with it. The second one is the instant white bleaching oil. This one is made with arbuthnine and niacinamide, and 2 days results, joking. But this is another very good effective oil that I mix into my oils. I don't even mix this one into my lotion. No, I mix them into my normal oils. When I mix my career oils together and I want them to have different strength or to do different things, like I said, I have oil that I just use for moisturizing and hydrating. Those ones will contain glycerin or hyaluronic acid. I also have oils that I use when I want to lighten my skin, and I have oils that will just maintain my skin. I have different type of oils that I mix together. I'm a skincare formulator, so I can afford to do that. These oils are very effective when it comes to taking your oil to from 1 to 10. The third one is the Holy June. This is the triple action with fruit acid. It is a strong lightening oil. I'm going to remove them from the pack so that you guys can see, so that you don't go and buy the fake. So this one has like this orange color. Oh my god, this oil is stronger than white now oil. If you don't know, I'm telling you today. And this one also comes in a glass bottle. It's transparent, as you can see. This is the bleaching oil, the instant white, and then the flawless white also has the same bottle like the instant white, but the consistency is different, the color is different. These oils they are amazing. So now let me tell you how you can mix it with your oil. You can use these three together. When I'm mixing for different purposes, for example, if I'm mixing a whitening oil, I've mixed all my base oil together, like my career oils, or if you're using a oil like wheat gold oil, like I've mentioned, or you are using like that turmeric or that soft 7 oil, or even if it is target oil, if you want to activate them for them to work more, there's many oils that you can mix this into. So get these bottles are 60 ml. They are all 60 ml bottle. Trying to confirm that. Yeah, I believe there's 60 ml. So if you want to get a whitening oil, use 60% of your base oil. Like I said, your base oil can be your carrier oils, your rich gold oil, or any oil that you like in the market, but you just want to, you know, elevate it. So get 60% of that. So let's say you're making 100, and then you can use these three to be 40%. Now you don't have to use the three of them. If it's this that you can lay your hands on, just make sure you use 40 ml of this and add to your 60 ml of your base oil. If it is this, use 40 ml. If you are using both, do 20 ml and add to your base. If you are using the three, or if you are using just this one, just use 40 ml. If you are using these two, share it. If you are using it among the three, do 20, 21 or one, whatever way you want to mix. Just make sure you are doing it as a ratio of base 60% and active 40%. That is for whitening. If you want something that is going to lighten, then you do base of 70% and actives of 30. If you want something that will just glow your skin, give you a little bit of toning here and here, then do 80% of your base oil and 20% of your actives. If you follow this simple recipe that I've just given you, you will come back and tell me how much your oils that you have been buying, how much difference these tiny babies would do to them. It will transform that oil for you. Thank you for watching. Have you tried to use any of this oil? What are your experience using any of these? My 3 Gobonge effective oil. These oils are not even expensive. Things doesn't need to be expensive for you to be active. Honestly, just need to know the right thing to use and buy the right one. Buy the original one, and then you will be very happy with the result. Please leave a comment in the comment section if you have tried this before. If you are looking into it, you can ask any question in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you are yet to subscribe, this is your turn to subscribe. Like this video, share this video with anyone who is looking to activate their whitening oil. Share with them, let them go and get it. If you want to buy, I sell. You can buy from me, you can buy from anybody else. That's why I'm sharing it with you. I'm also going to put the picture in my thumbnail so that you can see what it looks like. You can just buy from anyone. Just make sure you're buying the original. I have it on my website. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, be blessed.